It hovers midair like magic, wings beating so fast they vanish into a blur, as small as a thumb, but faster than lightning. This bird can fly backward, hover, and dart in any direction in a flash. Its heart races over 1,000 beats a minute, and it visits hundreds of flowers daily, sipping nectar like a winged jewel. But don't let the size fool you. This tiny traveler can migrate thousands of miles nonstop. With iridescent feathers that shimmer in the sun, it's nature's glittering masterpiece in motion. Say hello to the hummingbird.